Hello, my dear friends, how are you? Let's continue our exercises of unit money. Now, observe this activity. Take a sheet of paper and cut out the model notes. For example, rupees 10, rupees 20, and so on. Fix it below the boxes provided. To get the total of rupees 200, one is done for you. The space is provided below the boxes. There you have to stick, or you can write here by yourself. I have written for you 10 notes of rupees 10, okay, and 5 rupees of notes 20 you have to stick, and 200 rupees note here. In this way you can stick. Listen carefully, children. This is our very important exercise. The price of 1 liter petrol is 78 rupees point 12. This 12 is there, no, after decimal point there is a 12. This 12 is known as paise. Okay, this paise is not in use nowadays, but while you buy some grocery or any goods, so they are using the cost of goods in paise. Okay, for example, if you buy something like eatable things or water or petrol or milk or clothes, so the merchant or the shopkeeper, they will say this is the cost of the good is 92 rupees and 55 paise, okay, or 72 rupees and 82 paise. Like you this. Should remember this formula. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now this is the problem sum. Conversion of rupees into paise. How you convert? This conversion is useful while you are bargaining during purchasing grocery in the shops. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the rupees by 100. Okay, so just observe this first example. Convert rupees 2 into paise. We know the formula. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now here is a 2 rupees. So we have to multiply 2 by 100. So we will get 200 paise. For example, I have written here rupees 5 multiplied by 100. So we will get 500 paise. Rupees 8 multiplied by 100. We will get 800 paise. And so on. Okay. Now convert 8.50 paise into paise. I will show you. Now look over here. Conversion of rupees into paise. Okay, for example, this is our first example. Our question is convert rupees 2 into paise. We know the formula. 1 rupee which is equal to 100 paise. This formula you have to remember, so you can convert rupee into paise and then you can solve your problem sum by the help of this formula. So now our question is here 2 rupee. So we have to convert rupee into paise. That's all. This is the answer. So now here 2 rupee we have to multiply by 100. So if we multiply by 100, we have to do direct answer. This is very easy. Like 2 into 100 means we have to write 2 0 and 1 2s are 2. That is 200. Okay, so multiply by 100 is equal to 200 paise. Okay, in 1 rupee 100 paise, in 2 rupee 200 paise, like that. In our second question, convert rupees 8 rupee 0.50 paise into paise. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to convert first rupees into paise, and this is also in paise only. Then we have to add this paise. So let's follow the methods. So 8 is in rupees, okay, and 50 paise is in paise. Now we have to multiply 8 by 100. If we multiply by 100, what we'll get? We'll get 800. Now we got 800. So 800 paise. Now we have to add this 50 paise along with this 800 paise. So 800 paise plus 50 paise we have to add together. So we will get 850 paise. So our answer is 8 rupees 50 paise or 850 paise. So in this way you have to do others sum also.